I never feel like he's being insincere. There's some people like, oh my god, Jessie. I get so sick of her smiling at me. Just because I feel like her smile is so hostile. Like it just doesn't belong on her face. I feel like if she ever stopped smiling, she would never smile again.
I don't even know how to describe that. This is a trip. Did you dose my iced tea? I've seen some weird shit. Look at that guy.
I don't know, maybe it's because I feel like I'm running out of time here. And it's like, even the hours that I sleep feel like a waste, but I really enjoy my sleep, so I've got to keep up with this whole crazy. Love is all around us.
This equipment for making music, and I'm just not inspired. But I can't let go of it.
Like caffeinated. It's funny because I feel like a lot of my friends have addictions. And it's really sad because I think some of them have addictions to like drugs, obviously, like that they could totally
Being here now is so
and there's like
crucial.
Nice to imagine a different life, a different world.
He just hangs out in flowers. And when you upset him, when he can't chill in his flowers, or well,
I'm not listening, but I do it anyway. It's just really sad. Oh my god. Hey! What's the door?
Sacrifice of human bodies and adult athletes to line their own pockets, but also to line the pockets of their handlers and owners.
Have a normal interaction or a day-to-day interaction with your next door neighbor. But China is not home anymore. It took me a while to kind of accept the fact that it was home. I kind of reluctantly wanted to become home.
This guy, Galway, however you say his name.
I regret that. Not having tried harder.
Like half of them aren't even in copper, and I've heard that copper conducts the crystal. Should we call him PBR? He's a really good man. I had like an hour conversation